morning students. Saune Jai Sri Swaminarayan. Now students, today we are studying SST subject of standard 8. Now have a look around you. What can you see around you? You can see different things around you, right? Yes, like chair, fan, your window, house, and many more things. Do you know guys, it all we are using. It's all usable for us, and they all have utility, means usability. The vegetables, rocks, then fruits, milk, it also has usability, like this duster, okay, this marker pen, also this book, it's all have usability. What it called? Usability. Usability means the things we can use. It is called usability. Now, I have this cell, but I can't use it because it is not working. So it has no usability. Okay, so it has no value. Like this, the things which has usability, which have their utility, they have a value, and that can be resource. So today's our topic is resources. Note down resources. Now, first of all, keep your notebook, your pen, pencil, water bottle with you, okay? And you have to write what I will write on this board. So, now let's start. Yes, as we know that we have biotic and abiotic things around us that have utility, and some of them don't have the utility, means usability. Now let's see what is biotic and what is abiotic. Biotic. Biotic means the things which are living. Note it down. Biotic means living things. Now, abiotic. Abiotic means non-living things. Now students, give me some example of living and non-living things. Before that, I'll show you some objects. See. What is this? Yes, it is a leaf. Now tell me that it is biotic or abiotic. It is living or non-living. Yes, very good. It is biotic thing. Now, this one. What is this? Yes, very good. It is a flower. Now tell me, it is biotic or abiotic? Yes, it is a biotic things because it is living. Now, tell me, what is this? Yes, it is a marker pen. Now tell me, is it biotic or abiotic? Yes, it is abiotic. Why? Because it is non-living. It is human-made things. Okay, friends? So, biotic things means living things that nature gives us. And abiotic things means non-living things that human-made things. Nature doesn't give us. Living things means plants, trees, then animals, birds, also humans, insects, right? These are living things. And non-living things means all the human-made things you can see around you, like chair, fan, table, the house in which you live, school in which you study, then temples, industries, factories, road, bridge. Yes, very good. These all are non-living things. Means from two small things to big things that made up by humans are called non-living things. Okay? Yes. Now, look forward to all these things. We use different things in our daily life, right? Like either it is living or non-living, but we use it. Then, friends, biotic or abiotic? The things which have usability or utility has a value. Value means worth. Okay? The things which are usable for us, we can use them, are resources that become a resource. Note it down. Resource. What it called resource? Resource means the things we can use or which have usability or utility or become a resource. Okay? Now friends, there are some types of things. See. There are two types of things. The first one is, they commercial value or economical value. First one is the things which have economical value. Okay. The second one don't have, note it down with me, don't have economical value. Okay. Which are the things that don't have their economical value? Do you know that? See guys, let's see. This marker pen, I am using it. So it has a value, economical value. Okay. This duster, I am using it. Okay. The book, water, air, this all has economical value. But friends, the things that we can't use them directly, we have to patent them. Patent them means we have to modify them with new ideas, new technology. That is called a patent. Okay, just note down the word. Patent. Patent means the things we have to modify or less modify with new ideas and technology. Write it down. Okay. Now let's see these things which don't have their economical value. See. Herbs, okay, like neem, tulsi, then yes, our grandma's home remedy. And etc. This all are called that things that don't have their economical value. But if we modify them with new ideas and new technology, that will become a resource because they get a value. Okay? Let's see. Like herbs. If we made medicine or any skincare product from the herbs, then it will become a resource. It will be have a utility. It will usable, right? So they can get a more value and become a resource. Okay guys. Now let's see about the types of resources. Now can you tell me that how many types of resources are there? Yes, there are mainly two types of resources, okay? First one is natural resources and the second one is human-made resources. Let's see about it. I hope you all will note all the things with me. Right? Okay. Now, see. The first one, natural resources. Note it down. Natural resources. Natural resources means? Yes, natural resources means the resource or the things that we get from nature. Okay? Okay. Now let's see that. These natural resources are dependent on some things. Let's see about it. The first one is their development and use. Natural resources are depending on, first one is their level of development and use. Now, what is level of development and use? Do you know that? Yes, it is about the quantity. Let's see. This type of resources are classified into two groups. How many groups? Two groups. Classified into two groups. Now, first one is actual resources. Now, actual resources. Actual resources means the resources which quantity is known. We know them, their entire quantity. Okay? The actual resources means the resources which entire quantity has known. Write it down. Quantity is known. Now let's see the examples of resources. The first one is coal. Coal in Germany. Then petroleum in West Asia. Dark soil of Deccan in Maharashtra. These all are example of actual resources. Let it write down. For examples, first one, coal in Germany, then petroleum in West Asia. Okay, these are some examples of the actual resources. Now, the second one, is potential resources. Potential resources means the resource which entire quantity may not be known. I repeat, potential resources means the resources which entire quantity may not be known. Example of potential resources. See guys, potential resources are the uranium, found in Ladakh is the example of potential resources because we don't know its entire quantity. You know what guys, 200 years ago, 2000 years ago, the wind's energy is not known, and it was the example of potential resources. But in nowadays, it is a actual resource. Now guys, see the second one, means the natural resources are depending on level of development and use, and now the second one. Secondly, they based on their origin. They based on their origin. Now you have a question that what is origin, right? So guys, origin means biotic or abiotic. Biotic and abiotic things. Now, biotic things means the living things, okay, and abiotic things means non-living things. Then how can we use them? Okay, the usability, the value, okay. The natural things are depending on their origin means the biotic and abiotic things. जैसे कि हमें पता है कि चाहे चीज़ लिविंग हो या फिर नॉन लिविंग हो, लेकिन सबके पोटेंशियल अलग अलग होते हैं, मतलब कि उनका हम यूज़ कैसे करते हैं, वो हमें यूज़फुल कैसे रहते हैं उस पर डिपेंड करता है। जैसे कि लिविंग थिंग्स, ह्यूमंस, तो सबकी कैपेबिलिटी एक जैसे नहीं हो सकते, राइट? दे ऑल हैव different ideas, different minds, okay, different capabilities. So it depends on their origin, like biotic and abiotic. Now the third one, nature resources are depending on their stock. Stock means either they are renewable or non-renewable. Let's see about it. Renewable and non-renewable. Now guys, what is renewable and what is non-renewable? Yes, renewable means the resources, all the resources we can use them again and again, okay? And non-renewable resources means we can't use them again. We can use them only once. And if we want to use them again, then we have to wait for thousands of years. So it is called the non-renewable resources. Okay, so understand the difference between renewable and non-renewable resources. Okay, I repeat, renewable resources means the resources which can be used again and again. Okay, I'll give you some examples. Renewable resources means water, solar, then wind, and etc. So these are the examples of renewable resources. Now non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources means the resources which we can't use again and again, like petrol, okay, then yes, very good, and etc. These are renewable and non-renewable resources. Now we get rest here, okay. So guys, we learned today how the things become resources, right? And the types of resources. The first one, natural resources. Okay. Now the fourth one, that the natural things depends on, we will see in the next period. Okay. Now it's a homework time, guys. What you have to do in your homework? Your homework is just have a look around you and find out that which resources you are using, okay, and list out natural and human made resources. List out natural and human made resources. Okay students, so that's it. Jai Sri Sahajanand.